Welcome with another video. In this video I will show you how to clear the cache in Samsung Galaxy S24. So if you want to clear the cache data, I will tell you how to do it. You have to follow all the steps as I will show you in this video, and before that don't forget to subscribe my channel. Now to learn about how to remove the cache data, just watch the video and follow the steps.